Today we're tackling a leaky Kohler Simplice faucet, and I'll show you exactly how to replace the valve, so you can stop that annoying drip once and for all. I've dropped all the parts, tools, and model numbers down in the description, so make sure to check that out. Now, what's happening here is this faucet's been leaking right around the base, and that's usually a sign that the valve cartridge is shot. So, let's dive in and fix it the right way. Tools you'll need: spray bottle filled with vinegar, Allen wrench set, 7/8 wrench or socket, screwdriver, brass brush, rubber mallet. Step 1. Shut off the water. Head under your sink. You'll see 2 shut-off valves. Right here, this collar turns one way to shut it off, and the other to turn it back on. Make sure both hot and cold are fully off before you go any further. Trust me, you don't want a surprise shower under the sink. Step 2. Remove the handle. On the bottom of the faucet handle, there's a little hole. Inside that hole, a tiny Allen screw. That's a 2.5 millimeters. Grab your Allen wrench, slide it in, loosen that screw, and the handle should lift right off. Now, if yours is full of gunk or calcification, spray a little vinegar in there and scrape it gently with a smaller Allen key. That'll loosen things up. Step 3. Remove the collar and valve. Once that handle's off, you'll see the collar. It should come off by hand, but sometimes it's stubborn. If it's stuck, grab a large Allen key, wedge it in that groove, and give it a light tap with a rubber mallet. That should pop it free. You can do the same trick from the bottom, if needed. When you pull it off, you'll probably see a ton of white buildup. That's calcium. Spray more vinegar and let it soak for a few minutes. Step 4. Remove the valve cartridge. Grab your 7/8 inch wrench, loosen the nut, and pull the valve straight out. There's a rubber gasket on it. Make sure you take note of how it's seated, because the new one has to go in the same way. The cartridge is keyed, meaning it only fits one direction. So line it up with the little notches inside before you push it in. Step 5. Clean everything up. Let's clean out all that calcification. Use your brass brush, toothbrush, and vinegar. You can even let the old parts soak in a vinegar cup for an hour or 2. If any threads are damaged from mineral buildup, gently brush them out. Don't force it. Step 6. Install the new valve. Once it's clean and dry, grab your new cartridge. Part number should be stamped right on it, usually 0130XX. Slide it in. Make sure the gasket is seated correctly, and hand tighten the new plastic nut. Then snug it up gently with your wrench, not too tight, just firm. Step 7. Reassemble and test. Slide your collar back on, reattach the handle, and tighten the set screw. Now turn your water back on and test it out. No leaks, smooth handle movement, you're good to go. And that's it. Your Kohler Simplice faucet valve is replaced and working like new. This repair costs just a few bucks in parts and save you from buying a whole new faucet. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more faucet fixes, and drop a comment if you ran into any tricky spots. I'll try to help you out down below. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep your tools handy and your water where it belongs.